Joannes.
Yes.
I love your name.
Thank you.
I like your friend's hairstyle.
Yes, sir.
The man loves style.
Boom! What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're at all interested in Ghana's history, then this is the video for you. So today we're going to Independence Square. It's known for the Freedom Arc that says freedom and justice, and it has that big black star at the top, and then also the actual square itself that has all the Ghana flag colors. Really, really cool historical site, and I'm gonna show you around. So let's check it out. What's up, guys? So we made it to Independence Square, aka Black Star Square. As you can see, we're about to get this tour. Let's do it. Independence Square. This was built to commemorate Ghana's independence. Less than 10 years after they got their independence from the British.
Another name for this place is the Black Star Square. So this place is the Independence Square, and it was actually built in 1961 to commemorate Ghana's independence from colonial rule. The first Europeans to step foot here was the Portuguese, and they came here within the 14th century. And when they came here, they did not settle in Accra, they settled in the central region of Ghana. So the Portuguese were there for so many years, trading with the people. They got to a time when the other European countries also saw that the Portuguese were making a lot of gains from here, so they also followed. So the Swedes from Sweden were here, the Danes from Denmark were here, the Dutch from Holland was also here, and later came the British. So after slave trade was abolished, the then British governor in the Gold Coast was able to convince the local chiefs, in which they signed a treaty known as the Bond of 1844, and through that Ghana became a British colony. When Ghana was under the British, the name Gold Coast changed from Gold Coast to British Gold Coast Colony. The British Gold Coast Colony. So Ghana was under the British so many years until 1957 when we had independence. I know the fight for independence did not start in 1957. It started way back in the 1940s with the formation of the first political party in Ghana known as the UGCC. That's the United Gold Coast Convention. You know, the United Gold Coast Convention, which was the UGCC, was formed by 5 individuals. And after it was formed, they started the fight for independence. But later, they realized there was this Ghanaian who was also had previously schooled in the Lincoln University in Pennsylvania, and he was now in the UK. His name was Kwame Nkrumah. He was more into Pan-Africanism when he was in the UK. So they decided to invite him to come and join them so that they can fight for independence. So they became 6. So whenever you come to Ghana, our first heroes of the land are known as the Big 6. So whenever you take any of our currency, you can see that there's these 6 men. These 6 men. They started the fight for independence in Ghana. Ghana had independence in 1957. But we should all bear in mind that after 1957, Ghana was still some way under the British. Because when Ghana had independence in 1957, Nkrumah was made the Prime Minister, and the Queen of England was still the head of state for a period of 3 years. Until 1960, when Ghana became a republic, and finally we became free, and we had to control our own affairs. So in 1961, Nkrumah, together with the other statesmen, realized that it's important to have a place which will commemorate Ghana's independence. So because of that, in 1961, this place was built together with the Ark going there later if you climb to the top. So in 1961, when this place was built, as I said, it was built to commemorate Ghana's independence. And Ghana's independence falls on the 6th of March. 6th of March. So every year the 6th of March marks Ghana's independence. And this is where we host the Independence Day. So normally on 6th of March when you come here, you can see about 30,000 people around here. About 30,000 people around here. And in the middle there's a parade. And when you look at the top, where the black star is where the president sits. The symbol is known as the Adinkra Symbol. It's an ancient Ashanti symbol. You know, when you come to Ghana, we have regions. Compared to the US where you have states, we have regions. So when you come to Ghana, we have a region known as the Ashanti region. When you go to the Ashanti region, they have these symbols. The Adinkra symbol, each single has its own meaning. So let's come closer. So this symbol is known as the Jinyami symbol. It talks of the supremacy of the creator, Jinyami, which is except God. It's known as the security and safety symbol. You all know that every government has to provide its citizens with their security and safety.
Definitely seen these. So this particular one is probably the most popular. It's on jewelry. I saw it in the Stoneboy video.
As I told you, Ghana was a British colony. So during the Second World War, the British decided to organize military from all its colonies, including Ghana. Those military men who were organized were taken to Vietnam to fight for the British, which a lot of them lost their life and they didn't come back. So after this place was built, this statue was erected here as a symbol for all the military men who died during the Second World War.
So we got the tour of Independence Square / Black Star Square. So we're about to climb up the actual Black Star now, back here. So we'll see you there. What's up, guys? So we're at the Freedom Arc. Also, it says Freedom and Justice.
Joannes,
Yes.
I love your name.
Thank you.
I love your spirit too.
Okay, thank you.
I like your friend's hairstyle.
Yes, sir. All natural, yeah?
Yeah, the man loves style.
What's up, guys? We are here at the top of the Black Star. From here, this is where people take photos, which you've already seen me take in front of the Black Star. And then on the other side, you can see Black Star Square. So you can see it from here. So we'll go over and take a look. So as I mentioned, we're up here on top of the Black Star Square. You can see the Black Star, and it's a four-sided Black Star. So on all four sides, so no matter where you are, you see it. And then from up here, you can see the rest of Independence Square, Black Star Square. Pretty high up. And the fountain below.
Yeah, that's a slave dungeon.
Okay.
Castle, yeah. You know, it was originally started by the Swedish, yeah. But they later gave it to the Dutch. So the Dutch stayed there for so many years. Until it got to a time when they realized that the trade wasn't profitable again. They decided to leave and they sold it to the British. So during the British time of having Ghana as its colony, they were using the Christian Ball Castle as one of their main administrative blocks for the colony. But after 1957, when Ghana gained independence, we also used this place as the seat for presidency until 2004, when we decided to build a new one. And now it's being used as a seat for the national security.
They took slaves to America from there too?
Yes, the Dutch used to have slaves over there. They used to keep slaves over there.
They kept them there?
Yeah, they kept them there.
Did they transport them?
They transport them. Yeah. You know, when you come to the coast of West Africa, the Europeans built more than 70 forts and castles. About 45, 48 of them was built in Ghana. When you come to Ghana, we have 3 major castles.
Right.
The first one is the St. George's Castle, which was built within the 14th century by the Portuguese. It's in Elimina. That's the central region. And we have the Carlsberg Castle, which was built by the British within the 16th century, which is also in the central region. That's Cape Coast. And we have the Christian Ball Castle, which was built around the 17th century. All these castles, you realize that the slave dungeons were beneath, and above the slave dungeons was a church.
What's up, guys? So that's Independence Square. We learned a lot. I hope you learned a lot. When you come here, you gotta come and get the history of this place. It really gives you a perspective of what Ghana started as and what it can be. So when you come here, make sure you come to Independence Square. See you next time. Alright guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, comment, and share it with your friends. Alright, see you on the next video. Hey guys, once again, thank you for watching this video on YouTube. If you're anything like me and you're in the United States and you're looking for authentic African products made by Africans, then I got the website for you. I created this website, Authentic African, specifically for people like you and I who are looking for products made by Africans on the continent of Africa, but it's really hard to find in the US. As you all know, I'm in Africa at the moment, and so that allows me to find these authentic African products in person. But for those of you who are living in the United States for now, in the US only, and you're looking for products made in Africa, then this is the site for you. Head on over to AuthenticAfrican.com. The link is on the page right here, and it's also below in the description. All right, see you there.